What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can see, we ended up getting a new car. It's not an M, but it's an M Sport, so I didn't really clickbait you guys that bad. So you guys saw it is a E90 black sapphire metallic, which it does need a good detail because the metallic is really not popping. This car actually sat outside. I want to say it sat outside for a while, but I don't know if it was garage kept. I don't remember seeing a garage when I pulled up to the house. Like, it has a bunch of swirls that you guys can't see right now because it is in the shade. So this car came from two owners, so I'm the third owner now. This is a 2011 335i, so that means it's an N55, but it's also a 6-speed manual, single hump as well. And you guys can see the interior. It's overall, it's in really good condition except the armrest. The armrest does have some wear, and the steering wheel is the worst part of it. So I do want to get the steering wheel replaced. I want to do something similar to what I have on the E46, which is all leather all around, and then do the bottom flat. So that's as far as I want to go with the steering wheel. I'm also going to be replacing the shift knob as well. It does have some wear. This one, we're actually going to be keeping it fairly simple, fairly clean. I want to go with a OEM Plus on this car. I don't want to get too crazy with it. You know, performance mods, I'm not sure how far I want to go into it. You guys do know that these cars are actually known for the rod bearings to go bad as well, even worse than the newer N55. So I think this is something that I'm going to be getting into. I do want to get the rod bearings done at some point in time, but most importantly, the water pump is on my to-do list next. The car has 154,000 miles. The last time that it was replaced was at 75,000 because it went out at that point. So we're exactly at 75,000 miles, or maybe a little bit more than what it was before the original water pump went out. All that was done at BMW, and the guy who had the car, he took it only to BMW to get everything done. So, you know, I'm confident on all the stuff that has been replaced, but obviously it's stuff that I know that can go bad on these cars. Like, he replaced the charge pipes, which I'm sure was expensive, but we are going to be changing them to the aluminum ones because I don't trust the plastic ones at all. You know, my E90 went out and my F30 went out on stock boost, so no tuning at all, and they cracked on me either way. Here we have the factory wheels, which are in overall good condition. One of them has like some slight curb rash. The body overall, I give it about, I'd say a 7 out of 10. You know, not looking at this part right here, which is gonna have to get fixed. So once I get the other cars up and running, the F32 and the E46, I'm actually gonna be dropping this off to get it fixed as well with the bumper. I am gonna be doing a paint correction on the car, which is heavily needed. Maybe a decent set of coilovers would be good. Maybe throw some springs on until the shocks go bad. Who knows? I mean, I do want to keep it fairly affordable because I do want to make content that's, you know, relatable as well to other people out there. I don't just want to go out and start throwing, like, you know, expensive parts. As much as I would like to do that, one, I don't have the funds to throw expensive parts at every single car, and two, you know, I feel like it's not relatable. I want to be able to relate to people, or have people relate to the things that I do. The headlights need a little bit of work. I do want to replace the kidney grills. Obviously, we got to replace the headlight washer cap over here. But overall, I mean, I paid $6,700 for this car. It was unexpected. I've had this car for 5 weeks now, and I was actually considering about selling it just because I know I could flip it. But I really enjoy this car, and if I don't keep it, I would at least like for it to stay in the family. So when I got the car, it was super clean, vacuumed and everything. I do have some grass in there like I was showing you guys, but the engine bay, you guys saw, it was terrible. Like, it had a bunch of like spider webs, maybe grass, leaves, dirt, dust, whatever. So one of the first things that I did when I got the car, was clean the engine bay. So I gave it a quick wash. It's not the greatest, but look at this. It looks a lot better than what it did before. Maybe do an intake to get some swooshy turbo noises. Yeah, like I said, this charge pipe, it's not old, but it's not new either, like fully new. So I'm probably gonna end up getting another one. Would like to get an aluminum one for this car as well. You know, simple mods, simple but productive mods. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if my subscribers really care about the E90. I know I had a few whenever I started the channel. I did about 5 videos of my N54 that I had. Didn't really do no mods or anything like that on the car besides throw coilovers, which I never documented. Obviously I was starting and those videos were like terrible. I'm not saying my videos now are great, but you know, I feel like I've improved quite a bit. And anyways, you know, we're back in another E90. Time to do more E90 stuff. So we have E46 content coming up. We have E90 now, and we have F30 and F32 content. So hopefully all these cars can be relatable to some of you guys. I do want to mix it up. You know, I could go out and buy a more expensive car. Like I would have loved to have kept my F80 as well, but I just got bored of it. Like I did everything that I could to that car and that I wanted to do to that car, and I just find builds like this more enjoyable. You know, in the future I do see myself getting another M car, and I was waiting on the M2, and I still kind of want to see more about the M2. But at this point, like I have other plans in mind, like outside of cars that I want to accomplish before I jump into another expensive car. So these cars are more than enough for me to enjoy the hobby, enjoy what I do. I do want to say that I do have a brand that I've been kind of working still. Like I announced it, you know, hopefully you guys are willing to support. Like I'm trying to find different things to kind of bring along once I open up the website, and then just have more than one thing, you know, offered. So I'm still trying to figure that out to where I'm you know, fully satisfied with it before I open up the website. And yeah, so hopefully this is the beginning of many more projects to come. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys just looking forward to the E90 content? If not, that's okay. We still got the E46 and the F32 and the F30 now. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here we have the E90 once again. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.